according to some accounts on deforestation, the current rate of deforestation, 5 to 10% of the tropical species will become extinct every decade. Imagine all of this because of the environmental degradation caused by us humans. The world is losing most of its natural resources as and when you're watching this. There are many factors which are making this happen. However, one major concern is that of deforestation. Human activities are resulting in deforestation at a very rapid rate. Moreover, the effects of the activity are very dangerous. We do not realize the damage we are causing to living beings as well as the vegetation by cutting down the trees. It will be clearer if we understand the impact of deforestation and make attempts to prevent it. When we cut down every single tree, the impact it has is huge. Now imagine if we clear out the whole forest altogether, how damaging that would be. We cut down forests to meet the needs of humans. In order to fulfill the agriculture, commercial, industrial, residential, and other needs, we remove forests. Most of the earth was covered with forests until 100 years ago. However, now we don't have much of them left. Deforestation causes disruption in the ecological balance. Moreover, it also interferes with lives of wildlife and human beings as well. Firstly, when there won't be many forests left, the water cycle of the earth will get disturbed. There won't be enough trees left to absorb the water. Moreover, it causes floods and droughts too. Similarly, soil erosion will be another effect of deforestation. Other than that, the climate will experience massive change. Global warming is also happening partly due to deforestation only. The oxygen level in the atmosphere will drop down by a great number, and thus, naturally, carbon dioxide levels will increase. Most importantly, the wildlife is losing their habitat due to deforestation. Forests are their only homes and there's no place left to go. They will either lose their. Therefore, we must all come together to stop this from happening and saving our earth as well as our lives. Humans must not be so selfish so as to make other animals homeless to shelter themselves. We must not damage our vegetation to create beautiful gardens for ourselves. We can do a lot of things that will contribute to preventing deforestation. To begin with, do not waste paper. The more demand there will be, the more supply will happen. This way, trees will keep getting cut to meet these needs. Similarly, the government must put a ban on deforestation so the big firms can find other alternatives instead of clearing forests for commercial and industrial needs. The law must be stringent enough and also be implemented properly to prevent it. Moreover, there must be measures taken to control the increasing population. As there are more mouths to feed and fewer resources, our nature and forests are getting burdened. There is not adequate supply to meet the ever increasing demands of the population. Thus, less the demand, the better the condition of the forest as well. Thus, deforestation is an important issue to be discussed. It has adverse effects on each living being's life. Deforestation has become a huge concern in today's life as there has been a rise in the decline of forests. Trees are cut down in order to manufacture paper products as well as for livestock farming and so on.